Good morning! It's Friday morning, guys. We are going hiking this morning with Aga, Shobi, and Angie. We're gonna have fun. We have a 1.5 hour hike today. It's early in the morning. It's 7 o'clock, and we're gonna have fun today, guys. So it's a lot of fun. Last night we went hot tubbing, and May show up last minute. And we had so much fun. So it's a very quiet neighborhood, and we're gonna go hiking, guys. We'll see you guys where we're going. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, my deer, look at those deer. There's a deer over there, guys. See that house full of deer. No.
Ay, may parking din doon.
Dito tayo galing. Ah, dito ba?
Dito tayo.
Dito tayo
Kaya
ngayon.
sabi ko na, galing doon sa galing doon sa may parking lot sa Rose End. Dito yan.
Yeah.
Kaya sabi ko, saan kaya dinadala nito? Mas malapit siguro to sa atin.
Alright, we are in Enchanted Forest, guys. Let's see what.
Yung coyote, I know.
Yeah. We are in the forest. Enchanted Forest. Parang ano eh. Saan? Instagram.
Mauna ka ba?
Good morning! We're having breakfast, guys, with bulad. Hello! Hello! It's a crazy morning. Look, guys, we have one more bulad. It's a Filipino way. We always leave one. That's just the way we are. We're having pastry and coffee and tea, guys. We're stopping by for rest, and then we're gonna go store different stores to go shop. Have you guys seen a manual salad spinner? Well, I'll show you guys what it is. There's the salad spinner.
Then, keep spinning. Keep spinning.
Spinning and spinning and spinning.
Yung kahoy kanina.
Good morning, guys. It's early in the morning, Saturday, and we are up and above in here. I am cooking some dried fish. We call that in the province a bulad or whatever. It's a dried fish, guys, so we call it bulad. Anyway, I'm cooking this morning outside so it doesn't smell inside the house, and we're gonna have fun today, guys. May is leaving early this morning, that's why we are cooking a little bit early. All right, see you guys later.